My name is Dr. Catherine Ball. I'm a scientist and entrepreneur, and I'm really passionate about the good things that robotics and AI can do for us. So a lot of people think that the future of robotics is very much us as humans and robots over there sitting in the corner, very much us and them, but that's not the case. The future of robotics is actually going to have them inside of us. As wearable technologies go underneath the skin, they go into our brains and into our eyeballs, maybe some of the questions we're having around the ethics of how we interact with robotics in the future are actually more likely to be questions about how we actually interact with ourselves. So as we look to the future of how humans interact with robotics, the ethical dilemma we have about how we remove fear so we treat AI appropriately, we actually need to get better at communicating with AI. How do we develop ways in which we can speak or even think to control robotics and artificial intelligence? At the moment in Australia, there are scientists working on using brains to actually control drones. So you could just think and watch a drone fly in the way that you're wanting it to go. I think that's quite exciting. But there's ramifications to all of this, and we need to make sure that we treat these technologies appropriately and we communicate with them appropriately. And the crux to communication, the crux to really good communication is that you need to have a diversity of things that are being spoken about. Communication is only good as the kinds of communicators you have speaking it. We need differences of opinion, and the only way to get differences is to actually look at the diversity of the people that are working on these projects going forwards. So what we need is as many diverse minds as we can possibly get around that table, and this is where it's really exciting for engineers to be able to break out of your silos. There is so much potential for collaboration with biologists and with language specialists to be able to sort of recognise and create opportunities and actually generate some new career pathways and get really excited about the future of robotics and what it can mean for society.